Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says give two uses of each of boric acid. In this questions, we have to write the two uses of boric acid. So the main key concept of this question is uses of boric acid. The key concept is uses of boric acid. अब हमें यहाँ ये बताना है कि बोरिक एसिड के क्या क्या यूजेस होते हैं। तो हम यहाँ देख लेते हैं कि सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि बोरिक एसिड का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है। तो हम यहाँ लिख लेते हैं पहले प्रिपरेशन। एक जनरल रिएक्शन के थ्रू हम ये बताते हैं कि बोरिक एसिड कैसे फॉर्म होता है। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमारी जो रिएक्शन होगी वो क्या होगी, Na2B4O7 with react with sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus 5 molecules of H2O to form Na2SO4 sodium sulfate, and boric acid is as a byproduct H3BO3. And on balancing this equation, this is 4 molecules of boric acid. This is the sodium tetraborate. Sodium tetraborate react with sulfuric acid with 5 molecules of water to form sodium sulfate and boric acid. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा बोरिक एसिड का फॉर्मेशन हुआ। अब हम यहाँ पे इसके यूजेस देखें तो बोरिक एसिड को अगर हमने देखा हो तो नॉर्मली लाइफ में हम इसको जनरल लाइफ में अगर हम इसका देखें तो बोरिक एसिड एज अ एंटीसेप्टिक यूज होता है। एंटीसेप्टिक, एंटीबैक्टीरियल, फॉर किलिंग दी bacterias. Boric acids are used. So first uses of boric acid is boric acid used as an antiseptic, antibacterial, and it also used as a food preservative. Food preservative. Food preservative. And boric acid also used for making glass, optical glasses, making optical glasses, as well. It also used in the production of glass in LCD flat panel display. LCD आप सभी ने देखा होगा, जो हमारे घरों में टीवी होते हैं। आजकल न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज की टीवी बनने लगी है फ्लैट स्क्रीन की। जो उनकी स्क्रीन होती है LCD की, वो किससे बनी हुई रहती है, बोरिक एसिड से। ठीक है, तो यहाँ हम लिख सकते हैं as well used in production of glass in LCD flat panel display. Okay, and this boric acid also used in the manufacturing of pottery glass. Manufacturing of pottery glass. pottery, glass, animals, animals, pigment, animals, pigments, and boric acid also used in the medicinal uses of medicinal use of boric acid. It reduces the it reduces the harmful effect it reduces the harmful effect of hydrogen fluoride. Okay, and the basic properties of boric acid, it is a colorless transparent transparent crystal material, and soluble in water, soluble soluble in water. Okay, so this is the simple uses of boric acid. Boric acid prepared by using a sodium tetraborate react with sulfuric acid in presence of water to form the sodium sulfate, and boric acid is removed as a byproduct. And the uses of boric acid, it used in antiseptic, antibacterial, and used as a food preservative, and in making optical glasses, as well used in production of glass in LCD flat panel display. Boric acid also used in the carom powders which were played by the children's. So this is the basic uses of boric acid. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.